In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Monkey app on Android. We'll use the safest and most reliable method, the Google Play Store, so you get the official app without risking your device or your data. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi is best if you want the download to be as quick and smooth as possible. If you haven't opened the Play Store in a while, give it a moment to refresh so search results load correctly. In the search bar at the top, type Monkey, make new friends. You're looking for the official listing from the developer named Monkey Group. You should also see that it has millions of downloads, which is a good sign you're in the right place. Always double-check the developer name and the app icon to avoid lookalikes or unofficial copies. When you've confirmed you're on the correct page, tap Install. The Play Store will handle the download and installation automatically. If the progress seems slow, that's usually due to your connection or available storage. Keeping your screen on and staying connected to Wi-Fi can help the process finish faster. If your device warns you about space, consider clearing a little room before trying again. Once the install is complete, tap Open to launch the app. You'll be prompted to sign up or log in. Follow the on-screen instructions at your own pace. Because Monkey focuses on real-time video chat, the app will ask for camera and microphone permissions. These are necessary for video calls to work. If you're not comfortable granting them right away, you can review what each permission does and adjust them later in your device settings, but keep in mind that limiting access may affect features. Before you start using the app, it's important to understand a few safety notes. Monkey is rated mature, intended for users 17 and older. The app may collect personal data, including location and user information. You can review the privacy policy and the permissions section on the Play Store page to understand what's collected and why. Adjust your privacy settings to match your comfort level. Since Monkey connects you with strangers, be mindful about what you share on camera. Avoid showing personal information like your address, school, workplace, or anything visible in the background that could identify you. Keep conversations respectful, and use the app's tools to block or report anyone who makes you uncomfortable. That's it. Open the Play Store, search Monkey, make new friends, install, open, sign up or log in, and allow the camera and microphone for video chat. Downloading from the official source keeps your device safer and your experience smoother. Enjoy and use the app responsibly.